let us continue with the next topic, that is lattice enthalpy. Lattice enthalpy means the energy required to completely separate 1 mole of solid ionic compound into gaseous components. So if you want to separate the ions of this solid ionic compound, that is 1 mole, into gaseous components, the amount of energy required will be called as lattice enthalpy. So lattice enthalpy is simply the energy required to completely separate 1 mole of solid ionic compound into gaseous components. Gaseous components. Now lattice enthalpy of this NaCl, lattice enthalpy of this NaCl is 788 kilojoule per mole. Means this 788 kilojoule of energy is required to separate 1 mole of this solid NaCl, 1 mole of, I will write like this, 1 mole of this solid NaCl into gaseous components, Na plus gas plus Cl minus gas into the gaseous components. So in this process the amount of energy required will be this much, 788 kilojoule per mole. So the lattice enthalpy for NaCl is 788 kilojoule per mole, means the amount of energy involved in the formation or separation of ions, that is Na plus and Cl minus in gaseous state from the 1 mole of solid NaCl is 788 kilojoule per mole. So this much amount of energy is required to separate the 1 mole of solid NaCl into Na plus and Cl minus ion, and that will be called as lattice enthalpy. Now let us continue on the next page. For same anions and different cations, see the condition here. For same anion and different cations, for same anions and different cations. Cation having higher charge, compound that contains the cation, cations having higher charge. Cation means positively charged species. The cation having higher charge have high lattice enthalpy. High lattice enthalpy. Cations having higher charge have high lattice enthalpy. Then cation having lower charge. Cation having lower charges means you have cation with higher charges will have higher lattice enthalpy than the cation, compound which contain the cation which have lower charges. Okay, now see the example. AlCl3 and CaCl2. In case of this AlCl3 have higher lattice enthalpy than the CaCl2. Now why this is so? In this case, in first example, you have cation aluminum. Aluminum is the cation. Now if each chlorine is coming out from the compound or ionic compound, so at each remole of chlorine it will gain 1 plus charge. So overall how many plus charges it will acquire? 3. Aluminum plus plus plus, so it has 3 plus charges. Then this calcium will be having how many plus charges? 2. If each chlorine is removed from the calcium, for 2 chlorine it will acquire 2 plus charges, so it will form 2 plus, calcium 2 plus. So the compound having cation with higher charges, here the cation contains 3 charges, 3 plus charges. Then the cation having lower charges, calcium has 2 plus charges. So cation which have higher charges has high lattice enthalpy, The compound that contains the cation with higher charges has higher lattice enthalpy. Therefore, this AlCl3 has higher lattice enthalpy than the calcium chloride CaCl2. Why this is so, I have explained you. Okay. Now next, as the size of cation decreases, lattice enthalpy increases. As the size of cation decreases, lattice enthalpy increases. As the size of cation decreases, the lattice enthalpy increases. See the example. LiF, then NaF, then Kf. So you can see in periodic table, first lithium comes, then you have sodium group first element, then you have potassium. So the smallest cation is lithium. As you are going downside, the size of cation will increase. Okay, so you have the lithium smallest. So what is the statement? As size of cation decreases, lattice enthalpy increases. So here you have smallest cation in case of LiF. Okay, so you have smallest cation in case of LiF. So it will be having the highest lattice enthalpy. So order of lattice enthalpy is LiF, then NaF, then Kf. So LiF will be having the higher lattice enthalpy. Why? Because the size of, if size of cation decreases, the lattice enthalpy increases. Okay, you have to remember this one. See this once again. Lattice enthalpy. What is the lattice enthalpy? Okay, lattice enthalpy is the amount of energy required to completely separate one mole of solid ionic compound into gaseous components. So amount of energy required to separate one mole of solid ionic compound into the gaseous component. For NaCl, the lattice enthalpy is 788 kJ per mole. Means to separate one mole of solid NaCl into Na plus and Cl minus ion into gaseous state, the amount of energy required will be 788 kJ per mole. Okay, so this is the lattice enthalpy for NaCl. Next page. For same anions and different cations. Now, compound having cation with higher charges, have high lattice enthalpy, than the cation having the lower charge. Now, compound which are having the cation with the higher charges will be having higher lattice enthalpy than the compound that contains the cation with the lower charges. Okay, so here we can see that in AlCl3, aluminum trichloride. Okay, aluminum has 3 plus charges, and in case of calcium chloride, calcium has 2 plus charges. When this compound is broken or this compound will be ionized, it will form Al plus plus plus, means 3 plus charges, Al plus plus plus, and 3Cl minus. So here cation has 3 plus charges. Okay, now in case of calcium chloride, when this calcium chloride is ionized, so it will form Ca plus 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 2Cl minus, Ca plus 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 2Cl minus. Each Cl will acquire 1 minus charge. Okay, so it will form Ca plus plus and 2Cl minus. So here cation has 2 plus charges, and here in case of AlCl3, cation has 3 plus charges. So cation having higher charge have high lattice enthalpy than the cation having the lower charge. So here the lattice enthalpy of this AlCl3 will be high compared to the calcium chloride, lattice enthalpy of calcium chloride. And second condition, as size of cation decreases, lattice enthalpy increases. If you have cation with smaller size, the lattice enthalpy will be higher. Okay, ulta. As the size of cation decreases, lattice enthalpy will increase. In case of lithium fluoride, NaF, sodium fluoride, potassium fluoride. So you have the smallest cation, that is lithium, then the higher one is sodium, then the higher one is potassium. So size of cation is smallest in case of lithium fluoride, so it will be having the higher enthalpy. So lattice enthalpy, lithium fluoride will be having the higher lattice enthalpy compared to sodium fluoride, and sodium fluoride will be having higher lattice enthalpy than compared to the potassium fluoride. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, I will stop this video here. We will continue in next lecture inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz.